Did you know that not all water is created equal? One of our recent videos actually triggered an interesting question about the water that we consume and that our plants consume. Here I have 3 very fancy wine glasses. This first glass is just regular water that came from the tap. This second glass is water that we got filtered that we usually use for drinking water. And this third cup has water that comes out of our outdoor spigot but is hooked up to a water filter. I did purchase a TDS meter from Amazon that measures the total dissolved solids in your water. Sometimes water can have heavy metals, contaminants, all those things can affect our bodies and also our plants. Let's start with the first one. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my meter on. It should be at 0. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in the first glass. 225 parts per million. That's not horrible, but it's not the best. This second one is going to be filtered water that we use for drinking. Wow, that's actually not bad at all. That's only 30 ppm. This last one again is from our outdoor tap. Let's see what it comes out as. 219. That is still pretty high, especially if you're going to be using water for carnivorous plants or really any of your other plants. I actually got handed a bottle of water. Let's see what this reads. About 54, which is not bad. When you're watering your plants, you can notice some side effects. Chlorine tends to have a devastating effect on your plants. Chlorine tends to kind of cause them to yellow. Also, it can just cause the water to smell. Making sure that you have adequate filtration on your water, it'll help keep your plants lush, green, have healthy, vigorous growth, and prevent them from getting any heavy metals. I'm going to be making sure to swap out my filter on my garden water hose. This one usually brings it down to about 75, maybe a little bit less ppms for plant water. Use one of these if you can to filter your garden water. It will benefit your plants immensely. Check out the link in the description for where we got our water filter and also our TDS meter. And for any more tips, tricks, and articles, check out gardenersyards.com.